tomorrow we're going on a safari actually, $15 safari in the desert. That's very cheap, so we're randomly going on a safari tomorrow with some guy here that also stays in this hostel.
Sit up perfectly. You see my head, you spin my sit again. I did this.
So we just found the bus and we're going now to the desert. I don't know how long the drive is. Does anyone know how long the drive is? It's a 1 hour 30-minute drive from the Mall of Emirates to the desert. So we brought some snacks, we brought some water. See you over there. So we arrived with the entire gang here on some bus park. I don't know where we are going right now, but so far it was 55 dirham for the bus ride or something, and we're gonna get food as well. So a picture with the gang. You guys go. Time for the glasses for Natasha. So now there's Jeep that arrived that is actually really gonna take us to the desert, because so far we're just kind of in like some in-between zone. Natasha, did you expect that this was gonna be such a shaky ride?
No, I didn't expect it. Alright, we made it to the first spot, I guess. I already see some camels here. Bye bye, thank you. Natasha, are you ready for your local outfit?
Hi! Hello! Good morning, desert! To the night only. Where from? UK?
Ukraine, yes.
That's how I know.
Gotta help somebody else out vlogging.
Do you like this car?
So I'm now ready to face whatever we're going to face here. Riding the camel or getting sand in my face or something, I don't know. I guess I would have liked a little bit more cover to the front. I don't know, Natasha has a better setup. You can easily like put it over your face when it gets like some sandstorm, or I don't know what's gonna happen here. Me and Natasha are kind of going to wander around a little bit on our own, because you know they get like this kind of like tourist stuff going on, taking a picture with the bird, having a 1 meter camel ride and letting you pay for it. So we're just gonna walk around a little bit by ourselves, explore the desert, get the drone in the air, take some photos maybe, just chill a little bit, and yeah, see what's behind that mountain over there. So see you in a second, because we'll have a little bit of walking to do right now. Look at your legs.
Is the right way, they say, if you just go your way. No, you aren't lost, just go and trust yourself.
So we have this head for this 20 dirham. It's a tricky one because we didn't want to buy it, but they said that, oh, you have to pay.
I felt so lost in life, felt like I'd never arrived. My perspective was wrong. If I don't know where I'm going, I can't get lost. This way is my home.
Right now it's actually December. I don't know how the desert is in other times. I think it's always kind of like this. It starts to be night and it actually is getting really cold. So we are now changing into some night outfits here. Natasha, good that you took our clothes, because it is indeed really kind of getting cold. I'm still in my shorts, but we're about to change that now to a long pants, and then we're gonna have some dinner, I think, that they prepared for us, and some belly dancing.
Handsome man.
Natasha's waiting for her striptease. I also forgot underpants, so I'm just gonna wear my multifunctional swimming shorts, Bermuda, and now also boxer shorts under my pants.
One of the most things what he hates.
Yes, being a child with like the shoes that just have the stickers, that's actually really fun and really useful. Why don't we wear that anymore as adults? Isn't that just way more chill to just have Velcro stickers instead of laces?
The show starts.
So time to head back to the base camp over there and see some belly dancing. Desert by night is actually kind of cool, to be honest. Would you be scared, Natasha, if you would be here alone, stranded in the desert?
With you, no. Alone, yes.
I would, I think, just go lay with the camels and just kind of hug the camels to be warm or something. Do you know that scene from Star Wars where they cut open the one animal and they crawl inside to sleep in it because they would otherwise freeze to death?
Oh my god.
I don't want to do that to the camels, but if I need to save my woman and myself, I mean, I'm sorry, but I know where you are, camels, and I'm gonna use you as a heater.
Right now we're going to watch a show again. Right now we are going to watch show.
Footage is very good.
We will see, maybe we will have some food. That's all, we are waiting.
To be honest, this is kind of cooler than I expected. They have this like seating places which are like a little bit traditional, let's say. There's also people smoking shisha, so I don't know, maybe a little shisha while watching the belly dancers. That might be nice. It's very, very good that you told us to bring clothes though, because it is cold right now actually in the desert. This is December right now, so I don't know when you will be here, but for sure wear some clothes because it's actually cold. Maybe the belly dancers will warm us up a little bit. A little busy to get the food. It feels like there's some kind of famine. Oh, excuse me, sir. So Natasha, go hunt for our food.
Bye.
Ladies can go to a different line. So Natasha's going there now, and I'm gonna go all the way back to the getting some sauce from our starters. Thank you. You're welcome, sir. I think Natasha is already waiting for the chicken as well. She seems very happy but very hungry. Alright, time to try. Natasha, you can go first. I think this is from kind of samosa or something. Okay, I will try it too.
With vegetables.
Oh, it's actually very good. It was worth the line, it was worth the wait. I don't know if you hear the music, but it's actually really party vibes here.